Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Code Mathians. In today's video we will be discussing common table expression. A common table expression is a temporary result set that you can reference within a select, insert, update or delete statement in SQL. It helps simplify complex queries by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable parts. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's say we want to find the average salary in each department with the help of CTE. For that purpose, we will write our common table expression. Which starts with and we will now name the CTE as department average salary. And now we'll be writing our query that is select department average salary we'll find the average using the average keyword and then inserting the column name salary as average salary. From our table name, that is dummy data sheet 1 in this case. And since we want to find the average salary per department, we will use the group by clause and insert the department column. And we'll close the bracket. Now we'll write our main query, that is select, and since we want to select the departments and the average salary of those departments, we will write column name department and the average salary that we just calculated using the CTE from, and now we will insert the CTE name, that is department average salary. We will now run this query. And we can see in the output that this query has produced. We have the department names along with their average salaries. This could have been achieved by a simple direct query. However, the primary difference is that the CTE approach provides a way to organize the query and make it more readable, especially if you are planning to reuse the calculated average salary in the multiple subsequent queries. Next, we want to find the employees with the same managers. For that purpose, we'll again be writing a CTE. We'll start our CTE with the keyword with. We'll name the CTE as same manager employees as, and then we'll write our query that is select e1.employee name as employee 1. e2.employee name as employee 2. And managers ID and we'll write it as e1.manager.id. From dummy data sheet 1, join we will be performing self join in this case. Join dummy data sheet 1 e2 on e1.managers.id is equals to e2.managers.id. Where e1.employee name is less than e2.employee name. This where clause will basically select the distinct employees. And then we'll write our main query, that is select employee 1, employee 2, and manager's ID from from same manager employee, that is our CTE. We will now run this query, and we can see the output. We have 2 employees with the same manager, and then the 2 employees with the same manager again. We can see here that John Doe and Mitchell Brown have same manager whose ID is 101. Similarly, Jane Smith and Emily Johnson have same manager whose ID is 102. And we can see in the output that the results are same as seen in our dummy data. This CTE has basically selected pair of employees E1, E2 who have the same manager along with their manager's ID. It achieves this by joining the dummy data table with itself, E1 and E2 aliases, based on the condition that both employees have the same manager. The where clause ensures that only distinct pairs are selected. For example, if employee 1 is A and employee 2 is B, it won't also select employee 1 as B and employee 2 as A. And then we use our main query that selects employee 1, 2 and manager ID from our CTE to retrieve the data and to retrieve the employees that have same manager. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys have a clear understanding of common table expressions. If you guys find our content useful, please do like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.